Hello, today we'll be baking 10 scones. This is a very simple recipe and it involves ingredients that are very simple and easy to find. So to begin with this, we're going to preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Then we're going to mix together the ingredients that we have, especially the dry ingredients first. So we begin with flour. We have 2 cups of plain flour. It's all set here in the bowl. 3 tablespoons of baking powder, and I have the 3 tablespoons of baking powder right here. I'm gonna add into the bowl. There we go. We have 2 tablespoons of sugar. Here I have the white sugar, which I'm gonna add into the flour that we have. There we go. Then we have just a pinch of salt. So we have a pinch of salt in here. There we go. We have all the dry ingredients have been mixed or in the bowl. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna mix these ingredients. Then we'll be adding in the wet ingredients that we have left. So let's just use this spoon to mix it up. Yep. We mixed it up. So now we will be adding in the wet ingredients. We have half cup of milk. You have to measure it with a measuring cup before you pour it in. So I have this half cup of milk right here. I'm going to pour it into the dry ingredients that I have. That's half cup of milk. We have half cup of water. I'm going to be adding in that cup of water in here. There we go. Just the plain water. And we have a 1/3 cup of oil. I have mine in here, so I'm gonna pour it in here. There we go. And we just have to add 1 egg, which is right here. So we get this egg inside. There we go. So done. What I'm going to be doing now is mix all these, combine all those things, and I'm going to mix them up. We continue to mix until all the ingredients are thoroughly mixed. Then we'll be transferring it onto a baking tray. Now, despite the fact that this is a scone, I'm going to be using muffin trays to bake. So I have my muffin trays right here. And like I said, it's supposed to be 10 scones, but because I have 12 spaces on the muffin tray, I'm going to be baking 12 scones. Now I'm just going to use this spoon to scoop my doughs into each of the muffin trays that I have there. So I just have to pull this up. The muffin tray has been greased. Okay, now that I have scooped in the mix onto the muffin trays, and yeah, I was lucky. I have filled up the 12 muffin spaces that I have on the tray. I'm gonna bake this in the oven for 15 minutes, and after this we will see how it turns out to be. So after 15 minutes of being in the oven, We are now taking the tray out. I'm just gonna pop the tray on the bench here, and let's see, this is what it looks like. It's supposed to be 10 scones, but I did 12 of them. It's actually looking good. So let me taste one. Just take this out and see. There we go, there we go. Kind of look like muffin actually, but it's a scone. So we're gonna cut it open and let's try it out. It's looking good. That's the inside of what we have here.